Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to OMG Scrunchie Club. I am the Scrunchie creator, Lamiel. And for those of you that are new, welcome to the club. And for you new subscribers, hello, hello, and of course, thank you. So today's look, no scrunchie earrings. I am rocking the OMG XXL Jane denim scrunchie. So for all you camo lovers, this is actually a camo denim scrunchie. I'm not even sure if it's on the website, but I'll have to check. But you can get your scrunchies from omgscrunchieclub.com. So I need your help once again. So today's video is entitled Help Me. I think this is the title. I don't know. I'm doing this before I even create the title. Help name a scrunchie. So I want you, my subscribers, to leave a comment below with an inspirational type scrunchie that you would like for me to make, as well as a name. For example, say you choose, I'm going to just randomly grab some fabric over here. So I have some lace. So say you want me to do a lace scrunchie. So I have lace. I want you to tell me what kind of material you want me to use to make this scrunchie. Leave me the material type. Leave me the color that you'd like, and also a name that you'd like to name the scrunchie. For example, this is a teal lace piece of fabric. So if I were a subscriber, which I am a subscriber of my own channel, I would say, hey, Lamiel or OMG Scrunchie or whomever, however you want to address me, I would like for you to make an OMG XXL scrunchie with teal lace fabric. And if you could name it after me, or you can say name it Tilly. So if your name is Michelle, Michelle will type in the comment box below, hey, OMG Scrunchie Club, could you make a teal fabric scrunchie that is lace and name it Michelle? I think that would be a cool name. And of course I will comment and come back and say, yes, I can do it. Or if I already have that color, I may say, hey, can you give me another color? Because I already have a scrunchie that color and it's already named. So that is your task, your assignment, something really simple. Even if you don't want it named after you, maybe you can dedicate a scrunchie. Ooh, scrunchie dedication. Dedicate a scrunchie to your child, your sister, your niece, anyone. So maybe I can make a scrunchie named after your niece. Maybe your niece's name is Lily, and Lily's favorite color is, let me pick another color over here. Lily's favorite color is pink. Lily likes stars. So what I would be tasked to do is to go find some fabric with stars on it that is pink. And then we would name this Lily. And that's how easy that is. It's easy for you. It's probably more difficult for me because I have to go and find that fabric. But I like to go shopping and I like to find things and make things for people. And possibly, if shipping isn't too much, I can ship that scrunchie to you. So you could be the first one with that particular scrunchie named after you or someone that you love. So, quick, simple video today. Not much to talk about, nothing to show you. Just wanted to give you examples of what I am asking for or wanting you to do. So, if you're up for the task, leave a comment in the comment section below with, once again, your name or the name of the scrunchie, the type of material you would have me use, as well as a color that you want or some color patterns. So as far as fabric, there's cotton, there's chiffon, there's sparkly fabric, there's denim fabric, there's silk. I've gone to the silk section at my fabric store, but I have yet to buy any silk. And where I shop, there are millions upon millions of different swatches of fabric. Also, I have something else to show you. So I can even make animal fur scrunchies. No, I did not kill any animals for this, even though I believe where this fur comes from, the animals died of natural causes. I am not a veterinarian, so I can't say whether or not it did, but hopefully I didn't buy a hunted piece of animal here, which if I did, I would send it back. But as far as I know, these animals died of natural causes. So we can do fabric. Ooh, I have another video idea that I want to do, but I'll share that with you later because I have a few things that I want to do, but then I want suggestions from you all as well. Yes, I'm ranting. I feel as though I'm talking to my friends now. Thank you for the few subscribers that I have. You mean so much to me, but I'm not gonna cry. Okay, well, As I was saying, thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to omgscrunchieclub.com. You can go to my website and subscribe and start earning points without even having a scrunchie in your hand. So if you go to the website, omgscrunchieclub.com, scroll to the bottom right of the screen, you'll see OMG rewards. If you just register there, you will get, I want to say 200 points for just registering. Then you'll get additional points for liking my Facebook page, for Instagram, and for sharing my website on your Facebook page as well. So you can earn points which can be transferred into scrunchies. Not transferred into scrunchies, but you can use the points to get scrunchies or discounts on your scrunchies. But I think I've talked enough for this video. But have a great day, and thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!